Alien Power is a stain remover that's been popping up online, claiming to clean just about everything with zero effort. The website says it dissolves mold, mildew, soot, water stains, and even nicotine on contact. No scrubbing needed. It's marketed as an all-in-one cleaning solution that's gentle enough to use without gloves, but strong enough to clean the toughest stains. But is this product actually works, or just a scam? Before we go any further, just a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or websites shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading marketing. Let's start with the claim that it dissolves mold on contact, no scrubbing needed. That sounds amazing, but it's very unrealistic. Mold is a living organism that grows deep into surfaces like grout, drywall, and wood. Even professional mold removers need protective gear and scrubbing. The idea that you can just spray and watch it disappear instantly is highly exaggerated and not backed by science. Then there's the part about no harsh chemicals, no gloves or fumes. That also raises eyebrows. To remove tough stains like mold, soot, and nicotine, you usually need strong chemical action. Most real cleaners use bleach, hydrogen peroxide, or other agents that come with clear warnings. So if this product really works as claimed, it's hard to believe it's completely chemical-free and safe without gloves. The company behind this product is Emson. If you read their terms and conditions, there are some important things to know. Emson clearly states that they can cancel any order at any time, even after you've paid. They blame it on pricing errors, suspected fraud, or availability. But the point is, they hold all the power. They also say they're not responsible for any wrong product info. And if anything goes wrong, their only responsibility is to refund your purchase price. That means if the product damages your surface or just doesn't work, you're on your own. Another odd thing, their site says last updated August 1, 2024, but the domain was only registered in April 2025. That mismatch suggests they might be copying content from other sites and reusing it under new product names. So, is Alien Power a total scam? I'm not saying that. Maybe it works a little, maybe it doesn't. But these red flags and exaggerated claims should make you think twice before buying. It's important to read the fine print and not get pulled in by big promises and flashy offers. If you still want to try it, go ahead. But at least now you know what you're getting into.